Okay, I'm going to show you how to apply the lettering to a GE stove. This here is a mock-up of the control panel of the GE stove, and you'll get two sets of these. This is for a GE JGP90 SF, which has basically got 4 dials. Okay, so this is what you get, 2 sets of these. I've already put that one on there. That is for that dial, and these are separate ones which do have to be put on separately, so we'll cut those off. Okay, like that. So the most important things, well, some of the most important things are you've got to get this control panel completely clean before you put these things on. And the way to do that is to use any sort of kitchen cleaner on this panel here, and clean it off. If there are any stubborn numbers or symbols that you can't get off, then you can use something like this, which is a decorator's blade you can buy from any DIY store, and gently scrape them off. But a non-scratch pad and some ordinary degreaser or cleaner will get most of it off. Now the most important thing after that is to use some nail polish remover, acetone. That completely cleans the control panel. That's quite important, that, because even though the cleaner will get it relatively clean, it doesn't get everything off. Okay, so use the acetone, that gets it completely clean, and then use a clean dry cloth just to dry it off. So that's ready for the application. This JBP90 SF, as I say, has got 4 dials. This is dial 2. I've already put dial 1 on. Peel the backing off, comes off quite easily. If anything doesn't want to come off, just press it down and it comes off. And then hover it over the dial. Obviously you take the dials off and hover it over the dial until you get the correct position. Probably best to hold it on the corners. And once you've got the correct position, which is there, stick that on. The same with this one. Peel that backing off. You see that's just stuck to the backing, so just push it down and it will come up. It will come off. Okay. Get rid of that. Same thing. Hover it over where the dial should be. Line it up. That's right. And this is the last one. This particular one. Get rid of the backing, and the same thing here. Just, and that's just about right there. Okay. Now those 3 have just gone on. I put this on about 5 minutes ago. You want to leave this covering on for about 5 minutes because it comes off. This top covering comes off a lot better when you leave this on for a while. So when you're taking this top cover off, don't pull it away from you. Actually push it into the control panel, and it just pulls off. Like I say, don't pull this away. Push it into the control panel, and you'll find it all comes off like that. Okay, and that's one dial done. This one I've only just put on, so it might not come off as well. Yeah, it's come off okay. That's fine, no problem. And the same with the others. And then get your other little bits. Look at the diagram which I send you, and basically put the rest of them on. Dial 1 is the front dial. dial 2 is a rear dial. So just line it up just below. This, you've got a hot decal in between these two lights. And on this particular model, the reason there's only 4 position symbols is because the other one is actually a light. And then push that, line that up, push that down. And we'll take those off in a minute. And this decal here, I won't put them all on, it's all quite straightforward. Just take the backing off, and that one goes just above the panel, and then just peel these things off and pull them back, and that is how easy it is. So really, this, once you start cleaning, the cleaning is the most important. If you get it clean and use acetone, it's a very, very straightforward process, and that's how it looks. Now, the other important thing about this is it's very important not to clean these decals for about a week. And what happens is the lettering actually adheres to the panel. And when you do clean them, just use warm soapy water. Don't use any harsh products on these. And the other thing you shouldn't use is stainless steel cleaners or polishers. And if you follow my advice on cleaning and using nail polish remover or acetone and putting them on there, these decals will stay on. Okay, thank you very much.